Tu farli dali o bronzi, colum magnifique ponzi, parafeli potrachio.
Now what's happening? Is that the girl he loves? Why can't they get married?
Because she's a princess and her father wants her to marry someone else.
What? That's not fair.
No, a lot of operas have sad stories.
Well, maybe this one is different.
We'll see, won't we?
Vale calce dure franco spiritel miniba fresco amenore tes.
Why are they going boo?
Oh, nobody likes a bossy boots, do they?
Is there always lots of booing at the opera?
It's loud at this one.
Dilly dally a frinky pengy.
Who's this now?
This is the prince the king wants our princess to marry.
He seems a bit silly.
Oh, he's very silly, all right.
She's running away.
That's right. She'd rather be alone than without her true love.
What's happening now?
The princess is lost in the forest.
That doesn't sound good. Look, a dragon! Why doesn't she run? Run away! It's a dragon! She can't hear me.
Don't worry, Maya. Look.
Besto, besto, alla dici besto.
What happened?
Oh, it's all sorted out now. The princess can marry her true love.
So it was a happy story.
Bravo! Bravo! Excellent performance.
Did you like it, Maya?